Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Docusign is here to revolutionize your paperwork process, so let's jump right into signing a PDF document online. First, navigate to Docusign's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy, and then click the Upload button, typically found on the home page or dashboard. This is where you'll load the PDF you need to sign. Locate the PDF document on your computer and select it to upload to Docusign. The platform supports various file formats, but PDF is the most common. Once uploaded, Docusign will display your document. On the left-hand side, you will see all the tools needed to sign the document. Simply drag and drop the signature field to the desired location on the document where your signature is required. You can either draw your signature, type it, or choose a pre-designed style. Docusign will then save your signature for future use, saving you even more time. Repeat this process for any other necessary fields, such as date or initials. After you've filled in all required fields, click the Finish button. This will finalize the signing process. Docusign will then notify all parties involved and provide options to download a copy of the signed document. It's that simple. Start saving time and paper by signing your documents electronically with Docusign.